The government ensures constitutional and legal safeguards for women. Still, crime against women is one of the most malicious issues that sees no respite. Are we aware of women's rights and ways to seek legal help when in trouble? To answer these questions, PBNS exclusively spoke with Rekha Sharma, Chairperson of NCW, who tells us about legal rights, counselling and more.
Women should know that something is wrong is happening with them and what course of action they can take. So we are making them legally aware. So we have started legal awareness programs. We have been doing since many years. But from last year, we have started this program with National Legal Service Authority. They have their presence in every district through District Legal Service Authority. So for with them last year we did these programs in 8 states, but this year in every state, in every district, 2 programs we are doing. So we have requested them to have one in rural area in district and one in so that women in rural area also know their legal rights, and even in the urban areas, even the educated women and so called educated, I will say, don't know what are their legal rights. Every woman should know what are the laws of the land and how they can take advantage, and how can they can use those laws, and whenever they need to be like if they want, they are facing domestic violence, where they can go, where they can lodge a complaint, in how they can take help from the protection officers. There is free legal aid for them. So women don't know that there is free legal aid for every woman. They can have a lawyer free of cost. So all these things we are teaching them. Yes, when the complaints happen, then we work on it, but we would rather don't have complaints. So we are preparing women so that they should know how to avail their rights. We are making them capable enough to know what are their rights. Same way we are making we are doing many awareness programs, where last year we did many webinars, Facebook lives on every right of women. We talk on social media and media, even on seminars all over India. In fact, with the help of state commissions, we are doing everywhere in every state these programs, so that women are aware how they can take help. And unless we make not only women but men also, we have done a gender sensitization program with KV students, male and female both, because we think that we should have this inclusive programs where boys need to know that these are the women's right and these are the problems women face, and we should not be a problem for girls or women. So I think those are more important, and we have done gender sensitization of these boys, young boys. We also have done the legal awareness to these girls also, so that they should also know that what are their rights. So these things go hand in hand.
In 2019, the government passed the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019, declaring triple talaq illegal. Rekha Sharma tells us if there has been any reduction in complaints since the passing of this law.
It surely has improved the situation, and yes, now women, wherever I go, Muslim women do tell us that we face less problem. But again, because of lack of awareness, even many Muslim women don't even know that there is a law which is triple talaq, against triple talaq. uh, yes, many religious bodies, Muslim bodies, they did write to us that we should not have this is against religion. But NCW says that religion should be for the betterment of women, not against the betterment of women. And this law has helped many women. We got very few cases now, very few, but yes, we do get, even now also, once or twice we do have after the law has been passed, we received a few cases.
Has there been any improvement in the lives of women after this law has passed?
For sure, because they are more safe and secure in their marriages now. Earlier, they didn't know when it will collapse, and husband will say talak, 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 and they have to move out without any support from anyone. They never used to have support for the child also if the children are involved in the marriage. So yes, they are feeling more safe and secure.
Not just triple talaq, but there are other religious practices that equally contribute to the exploitation of women by society, like the halala system, polygamy, etc. Can the laws be better for the benefit of all women?
Yes, many religious bodies, Muslim bodies, they did write to us that we should not have this is against religion. But NCW says that religion should be for the betterment of women, not against the betterment of women. And this law has helped many women. We got very few cases now, very few, but yes, we do get even now also once or twice we do have after the law has been passed, we received a few cases.
Okay, ma'am. Also, how has it improved the situation of Muslim women in particular? Because of course, it is the law is for them. So you must have interacted with some. Are visibly there any changes in their lives after the law has been brought in the motion?
For sure, because they are more safe and secure in their marriages now. Earlier, they didn't know when it will collapse, and husband will say talak, 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 and they have to move out without any support from anyone. They never used to have support for the child also if the children are involved in the marriage. So yes, they are feeling more safe and secure, and it is good that you take this question to them and ask them. Then I think that will be more relevant if they will answer that how it is affecting their life.
Okay. Ma'am, also you mentioned in between your answer that many women, Muslim women, they don't know that they have a law that they can exercise if they face this situation. Why do you think that is the situation? There is a law, but why are so many women in that category not even aware that they have respite?
Education is the main problem. Women are kept away from education in the Muslim society, mainly from lower strata where they come from. Finances again is a problem. I will say education comes where the financially strengthened families are there. But if they have less finances, they will always give education to the male child, not to the women child. Whereas education is free for the girls in most of the states, still they don't send their again they will take their help in rearing younger children in the family. uh, for the household work they will take women's girls help, but they don't send them to the school. So unless they are educated, they don't know the law, this law or any other law. So education is very very important for girls. That's why we insist that girls, and even the government insist, there are so many schemes for education, young children, young girls. uh, Even every state government is they have many policies and scheme for young girls. But still people keep their daughters for their own. I don't know why they don't give education to their girls. They just think that she will be helping them in household things. And again there are so many children in the family, and the younger children, mother can't cope up with so many children, then the elder one will take care of them. So that is also I think I think they are risking their future, the young children's future, like this.
Okay, ma'am. Also, how can the law against talaq can be made more efficient? Because there is the situation of halala. I don't. Is it not included in the law? So how the law can made be better because it has provisions, but it can also be made better. Do you think that is possible?
Yes, surely. Because halala is inhuman, I think. It is totally inhuman how can they say that a woman can, sleep with another, get married to another person and sleep with that person, and then again she can, come back. This is inhuman and it has to go. In fact, we should have similar kind of laws in every religion, and religion should not be the cause of problems for the women. And that's why I'm not going to talk, because many people will go against NCW, that it is, working on the agenda of the government, and we are not. We are working on the agenda of women, and I'm against any religion which is against women.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with PBNS for more updates.